In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Slides animations. Animations are a great way to guide your audience's attention and make your presentation feel more polished. We'll keep things simple and focus on adding a clean appear effect that plays when you click, plus how to preview it so you know exactly what your audience will see. Start by going to Google Slides, open your browser, and head to the Google Slides homepage. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where your files are easy to access. This is the starting point for everything we're about to do. Next, select a recent presentation and click to open it. You can choose any file from the recent section on the home screen. If you don't see what you need at first glance, you can also search by title at the top. Once your deck is open, navigate to the slide where you want the animation to appear. Click on the object or element you want to animate. This could be a text box, an image, a shape, or even a chart. If you don't select an object first, the animation panel won't know what to apply the effect to. Quick tip: animations apply to objects, not the slide background, so make sure it's an element you can click and highlight. Now go to the top menu and click Insert. This is where you'll find tools that add content and effects to your slide. From the Insert menu, click Animation. This opens the motion panel on the right side of your screen. This panel is where you control how your object behaves when you present. In the panel, choose Appear as the animation type. Appear is a subtle, professional effect that fades your object into view. It's a great default choice because it enhances clarity without distracting your audience. If you see options for duration or speed, choose something moderate so the effect feels smooth, not rushed. Set the trigger to on click. This means the animation will play when you advance during your presentation. It gives you control over pacing, so objects don't show up before you're ready to talk about them. Finally, click play in the motion panel to preview the effect. Watch how the object enters and make sure it matches the timing and tone you want. If it feels too fast or slow, adjust the settings and preview again. When you're happy, repeat the same steps for any other objects you want to animate. That's it. You've added a clean on-click appear animation in Google Slides and previewed it with confidence.